it's still mighty tasty.
My question is about fried chicken. Whenever I make fried chicken, it looks great when it comes out of the oil and is cooked through, but the coating always comes off when you take the first bite, or sometimes even when you pick it up. What am I doing wrong?
So basically the coating is separating from the chicken is what you're saying?
Coating
Okay,
separating.
so whether you're making the chicken straight from the butcher shop or you've put it into a brine, you need to get the chicken dry. So remove it from the brine or the package from the butcher counter, pat the chicken completely dry. Then you need to dredge it in flour. I use seasoned flour. You can put a couple of spices or the whole pantry of them. That's up to you. I use flour next, and then egg, whipped eggs, beaten eggs, and you can turn that into batter. You can add beer or milk or flavored stocks, iced tea. You can add something to cut with the egg, but you go from flour into the egg, and then your choice, back into more seasoned flour or into breadcrumb. Then you chill it for about 30 minutes on a rack. Get your oil hot, but not too hot. We do about 350, 355. 12 minutes for boneless chicken, or I do about 10 minutes till it's nice and brown, and then finish in a high oven on a rack for bone-in, skin-on chicken. That's my best advice. Sometimes, you know, a coating will fall off. It's still mighty tasty.
Coating's the best part.
Yeah.
This is from @iFritz1. Would love to see the outside of your house and the beautiful landscape.
Oh, well, do you want the John cam?
Let's do the
John
John
showing
cam.
the backyard. There's not much to see because it's been a very cold spring. It snowed on Mother's Day weekend. But you can open the door, walk around the backyard a little bit if you want. We have a garden, but it's not in yet because it's been so cold. John will show you a little bit of it. It's the John cam of the Adirondack Mountains.
And that's kind of it. Trees, grass, some outdoor seating, my little outdoor grill station. And, oop, that's me in the reflection. And here we are back in the kitchen.
Here we are.